We just cashed out a 46% trade here on Babylon and it's lining up for another massive opportunity here real soon. We entered a short position on $0.09763 and exited our position on $0.07583, making about 46% in one trade. This is an emergency because Babylon is right now lining up for another amazing trade, and I will take you through the exact strategy that I will personally use in order to nail this next trade. As you guys know from my previous videos, we have a strategy where we try to aim for 5% a week, and if we can surpass that, we basically can jump multiple weeks with just a single trade, like the Babylon trade right here, where we made almost 5 weeks worth of progress in just a single trade. A fantastic leap here in order to make over $1 million in profit trading within a year. There are many factors that lined up that enabled us to make this trade here. Not only did Bitcoin show weakness at the exact right time, and also Babylon launched and then the marketing kind of suddenly stopped and we managed to enter the project at the exact right time, right after the volatility settled down. As you guys can see here, you see the intense volatility going all the way up and down right here. And then the second the volatility settled, basically the trading volume calmed down a little bit, we managed to enter a perfect short position right on the support and resistance level, right when the volatility settled down, so we had a smaller chance of getting stop lossed out. Basically everything aligned. The only thing that didn't really align here that I think is kind of interesting is that it didn't really try to break out. This would have given us a better opportunity at getting a better position, but it actually showed some insane weakness in the project itself here, so we could hold the project with a lot more confidence. For example, if we didn't have this confidence, if the project tried to break out here through the downtrend line that we put right here, then we could have, for example, pulled our stop loss into profit right here and then actually getting stopped out right here. But due to the sign of weakness in the short, we actually didn't pull our stop loss into profit until we were falling past the next support and resistance level. Swapping over to the 2-hour time frame, we can see exactly what's going on right now. Babylon has been falling and the volatility is low and the trading volume is decreasing. It's being primed for a fantastic move here very, very shortly. Since we have swapped over to the 2-hour time frame, we can't really celebrate the flip into green here, basically the formation of an uptrend. It is confirmed on the 2-hour time frame. This could be the change in direction into an uptrend, into a fantastic long position. But you guys know me, the highest win rate that we get on these trades is on the 4-hour time frame in combination with Bitcoin and the support and resistance levels. When we combine all of those factors into the strategy, that's when we get the best success rate. As we can see, Bitcoin here on the 4-hour time frame as well is looking a little bit weak. It's actually looking like it's gonna fall all the way down and test the support and resistance level around $83,000. And if it does so, I think Babylon could fall a little bit further. That's why we're not too hasty in entering the project. We need the patience. That is the whole reason everyone was just going absolutely crazy here with Babylon in the beginning. People were longing, people were shorting, people were getting liquidated like crazy, and we just waited for the perfect opportunity. As soon as the storm has settled, the true trend shows, and that's when we enter the project with a massive short. But we made some money with Bera here as well, doing a short on this downtrend right here. It's a little bit more difficult to see here on the 4-hour time frame, but I'm gonna swap over to the 1-hour time frame, and you guys can see this short position right here, 3.9 all the way down to 3.6. Now I did actually cash out here, and the reason being is because Bitcoin was showing some strength and that was giving some volatility in Bera, and it's the reason for why I cashed out. It only turned out to around 15% profits, but it was still an absolutely amazing trade. We're gonna continue trading Bera as well, but that's a video for another day. And I know I've not been the best at updating you guys here on YouTube, but I'll do my absolute best to keep it as transparent as possible, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.